The head of finance in El Salvador has come out to claim that Bitcoin is benefiting their unbanked economy. They've received tourism. They've received investments around this whole Bitcoin legal tender thing. It's very interesting. I'm actually keeping my ears very close to El Salvador when it comes to Bitcoin, because I feel like they are the first model to see if it's going to be realistically possible for an entire country to benefit off of this technology. And of course, the IMF has urged them to stop using BTC as legal tender because of how volatile it is. And, you know, they're going to keep going. They keep continuing to buy Bitcoin. I believe they've bought about like $100 million worth of Bitcoin, currently worth 50% less, 40-50% less today. I think is worth like 55 million. Their portfolio worth like 55 million right now. So they're down, but they keep buying. They keep buying, and they're saying it's working for them. They're saying it's benefiting their economy. I think that if El Salvador was to pull back from this whole using it as legal tender, I think it would change the game in a negative way. If El Salvador somehow successfully ends up bringing their Bitcoin bond, their $1 billion Bitcoin bond to the table, which they were supposed to roll that out in March, but they paused it because of just the rocky times that the BTC market is going through. But they still say that they're going to revisit that $1 billion Bitcoin bond in a better, Bitcoin environment. So this is just very interesting. That's going to be a game changer. We've never heard of a Bitcoin bond, which would be them selling debt with listen, do your due diligence on it. I don't want to confuse you because I'm freaking confused. It's something we've never seen before. Some people don't even think it's possible because of how volatile BTC is. But the future of BTC is very bright in my eyes. I'm a long-term BTC. I still hold BTC even though I'm down on my BTC holdings as well, just like El Salvador. But like I said, like I always say, statistics, y'all. Pay attention to statistics, who's actually doing it. El Salvador does have a lot of debt though, so I don't think that if we continue with this bad BTC market, they can't sustain paying their debt off with the losses that they're taking. So we need a better BTC market for, El Salvador to really make this possible. And hopefully they do have enough investments in tourism that, I ain't never been to El Salvador, but shoot, if my Bitcoin give me some extra points out there, I might take a little trip. They need to start making some incentives, right? We'll see. I don't know. I'm a big believer in Bitcoin long term. I still think that it has great benefits. It was supposed to be an inflation hedge. I really think it's really like an everything hedge, but it's not correlating like that because everything's kind of following each other. And the reason that is because when these institutional companies come in, they move with the markets. So if these institutional companies come in and spend big, now they're drastically moving the market of Bitcoin with whatever their trend is, which is usually whatever the hell the trend is in the world. I really just want retail investors in BTC, but you can't stop the institutional money coming in. You want the institutional money coming in because that's what takes it to the next level, unfortunately. So it's like a gift and a curse. But y'all let me know what y'all feel about BTC. Do you think it's fluke? Do you believe in it? Do you hold it? I need to hear from the community because that's what I like to hear from, is from the people, not the analysts, not the reporters. So y'all let me know in the comment section below. Shout out to all my future millionaires watching this right now. Put a money sign in the comment section below as well. If you're interested in joining the Future Millionaires Discord chat, shoot me a DM above on my Twitter or Instagram. I'll get you the details to join. Hurry up. Hit me up.